Jai Hind friends, today my lecture topic is Atmanirbhar Bharat. For the better understanding of the topic, I have divided into further parts. First, we will talk about the introduction, its need, its benefits, challenges, solutions, and way forward. So, in the recent quotation, recently we have heard our Prime Minister Narendra Modi quoting that India's biggest enemy is India's dependent on foreign countries. So this tells about the need why Atmanirbhar Bharat is needed, as we have been dependent on foreign countries on valuable things like the engines that are for our aircrafts and also in civilian aircrafts. So these provides a liability towards India on foreign countries, and at times in the coronavirus we have seen that this created a threat towards it, as there was a very delay in the supply of the goods that was demanded by India from foreign countries. So this created the need for going to Atmanirbharta and self-reliance towards becoming independent, and then the Atmanirbhar Bharat in 2020 started. This included the vocal for local and also buying more the local goods, and also increasing more and more production of manufactured goods that are demanded from foreign supplies, and also now coming to the benefits that Atmanirbhar Bharat creates. So after the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme, there was change in the manufacturing sector also. Government start promoting the companies that manufacture goods, and that was of good significance, and also laid various schemes like Make in India 2.0, Startup India, to boost the morale of all the youths and also the company and private player. The government built up various schemes and also expanded the special economic zones so that the trade deficit of the country can be reduced, and also government made companies to become reliant and become more dependent on their own indigenized Indian products. As we have also seen that in the Indian Navy, all the warship frigates that are being built are made up of 70 to 80% of indigenous Indian materials like raw materials. So this is the opportunity that this is the opportunity that Atmanirbharta gave to India. Talking about the challenges, but still, as we know that in times of tariffs, as we have seen, there is very much less supply of the engines of aircraft and also civilian aircrafts. So this creates a dependence on USA, the Boeing company, to get dependent for our civilian use also. So this creates a threat, but we have seen that to increase it we need more and more funds and more encouragement to private players. And the second challenge that we have seen towards Atmanirbharta, like there is a very much gap on the demand that is on foreign market and the goods that are manufactured in India, so that we can reduce the trade deficit. Coming to the solution to reduce this, various companies, private players are coming into the game. Like Zomato founder has came up with the idea of founding researcher and scientist to make rocket and engine of aircrafts. And also we have seen the Joho Aratai in the software and application software sector. The Joho Aratai has been very much productive and very much beneficial, as it is building made in Indian softwares, and also this is fully encrypted and it has a good privacy as compared to foreign apps. So these has created the solutions to it. And now we in the way forward we have seen that since government is also increasing and the companies are also coming, and the youth should more participate on encouraging the taking part into building startups and innovation that are more linked to creating employment, and also using the country's own resources and converting the resources into employability. So we can make like India this, we can make India Sashakt, Surakshit and Viksit Bharat by 2047 by the use of Atmanirbharta and self-reliance. Thank you friends.